celebrate the re-release of our 1/72nd scale de Havilland Mosquito, featuring 3 new schemes, we'll be taking a closer look at the incredible history behind each variant included in the box. If you're scratching your head wondering which scheme to build first, this video will guide you through the story of each aircraft, from post-war bombers to iconic film appearances and frontline missions of World War II. Without question, the de Havilland Mosquito stands among the finest fighting aircraft of the Second World War. A design so innovative that even the Luftwaffe struggled to produce anything quite like it. Nicknamed the Wooden Wonder, the Mosquito was built almost entirely from non-strategic materials, like balsa and birch plywood. Its lightweight yet strong construction gave it remarkable performance and versatility, serving in roles ranging from bomber and fighter to reconnaissance and anti-shipping operations. Crews were so fond of the aircraft that they affectionately called it the Flying Furniture. The first scheme represents a Mosquito B-35 from 139 Squadron, based at RAF Hemswell, Lincolnshire in 1950. First flown in 1945, the B-35 was the final bomber variant of the Mosquito. It arrived too late to serve in World War II, but went on to play an important role in the early post-war years. Powered by 2-stage supercharged Merlin engines, it excelled at high altitudes and could carry a massive 4,000-pound Cookie blast bomb, just like its predecessor, the B-16. With additional 60-gallon drop tanks, it could reach targets as far as Berlin and return safely. Although its service as a bomber ended by 1954, the Mosquito's B-35's legacy continued, as many were converted for target towing and training, serving well into the 1960s. This version represents the Mosquito at the end of its RAF career, a symbol of post-war innovation built on wartime excellence. B-Scheme is a TT-35 variant, a target towing Mosquito from No. 3 Civilian Anti-Aircraft Cooperation Unit at RAF Exeter, Devon in 1955. Originally built as a B-35 towards the end of 1945, this aircraft was later converted by Brooklands Aviation Limited. It's a TT-35 specification, fitted with a target towing winch in the bomb bay and protective guards on the tail surfaces. This aircraft served actively at Exeter until 1963, but its story didn't end there. After retirement, it was registered as GASKC and went on to star in the legendary film 633 Squadron, painted as HJ898. It later appeared again in the 1968 film Mosquito Squadron, though sadly it suffered damage during filming. Despite accidents and years of storage, TA719 survived. It is now restored at Duxford and preserved as a lasting tribute to the Mosquito's legacy. The vibrant scheme with its striking yellow underbelly stands out as a reminder of the Mosquito's versatility, from war service to the silver screen. Our final scheme depicts a Mosquito B16 from 128 Squadron, RAF Whiten, Cambridgeshire in 1944. This aircraft, MM199, took off on the 5th of February 1945 for a bombing mission over Hanover, but was sadly lost to flak near Ronenburg. The B-16 represents the pinnacle of wartime Mosquito bombers, a pressurised development of the earlier B-9, designed for high-altitude precision attacks. Powered by Merlin 72 engines, it could reach 35,000 feet, and most variants could carry the enormous 4,000-pound Cookie bomb internally. Combined with advanced navigation systems like GH and HS2 radar, the Mosquito B-16 could accurately strike targets when larger bomber formations were grounded by poor weather. It became an invaluable asset for the RAF's light-night striking force, proving that speed and agility could deliver devastating results. By the end of its 10-year production run, beginning in 1940, nearly 8,000 Mosquitoes had been built. It's astonishing to think that the aircraft development was almost cancelled early on. The Air Ministry feared it might interfere with Tiger Moth trainer production. Thankfully, the de Havilland team persisted, creating one of the most versatile and admired aircraft in aviation history. So, which scheme will you be building? The post-war B-35, the bold yellow TT-35, or the wartime B-16? Let us know in the comments which version catches your eye, and if you'd like us to do a deeper dive into another aircraft boxing in the future. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy modelling.